Okay, my YouTube people, next on my 46 knuckle, I am going to put the speedometer cable on. The factory OEM number for the cable is 67026-36A. The V-twin part number is 36-2540, or it was at least when I bought this. I've had this a really long time and never had the opportunity to really put it on. Not overly concerned with having a speedometer, but while I'm here, I want the cable to be on and I want it to work, I guess. So here goes. So the two ends you have here, and then you have a square spring that goes up through this. The big end with the O-ring goes down at the transmission, and the little end with an O-ring also goes up to the speedometer. The way I do these, if it seems like the spring doesn't want to line up, is you can always turn them from the other end. Well, I'm having a hard time getting it down in there, so I think I'm going to take a file to it and just take off some of the edges a little bit. I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. I just took a nice flat file to it. It's fine, and I filed all four sides down. Now we'll see how it does. Oh yeah, went right in. Okay, that was good. I think a little more of it needs to be filed further up because I only went a certain amount. Okay, I ended up filing both ends, figuring I'm going to need it up top anyway. So the one thing I'm going to do now, make sure it's engaged properly, is I'm going to turn it while it's in gear. And you can see that it's turning on the other end, so that part's right. Now I can see as I go up in here with it that I have to take the speedometer off because there's no way to get up in there and tighten it. As you can see, this is an original Harley Speedo. Back in the early 2000s, I bought this and thought it was insane to pay $600 for it. Now they're 3 times that amount or more. The original ones have an internal thread on the speedometer. So I'm just going to poke this up through here. The one thing I forgot to show on camera is before I put this in, I put a few drops of oil down in the cable to help lubricate it. So to get this on, I just poke it up in there, spin the speedometer, and I just turn it in till it stops. Now I know you're not supposed to put a tool on that thumb wheel, but guess what? I'm just going to put it in a little tighter so it doesn't unscrew itself. Now when I put the screw and nut on, even though it has that lock washer, still getting Loctite. Last thing you do is install it behind the clip. So there you have it, the speedometer cable installed. Pretty simple to do. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification button. Really helps my channel, and it doesn't take you but a second to do. Thanks for watching.